Welcome back to Crafty Hackers. Here's part 2 of our awesome superhero-themed arts and crafts to make any party incredible. Party hats. Want to add a super touch to those plain party hats? Try this. Print out your favorite superhero logo, cut it out, and glue it to your party hat. You can do the same with your favorite superhero characters. Just print, cut out, and paste. Now, those are pretty incredible. Superhero cuffs. Let's make some cool superhero cuffs. First, trace and color your logo. You can use paint or markers. Next, cut the cardboard from a paper towel roll in half, or use old toilet paper rolls. Trace the size of the cardboard onto some colorful construction paper. Hot glue the colored paper onto the roll. Leave a small slit so you can cut the cuff. Glue your favorite superhero logo on the front of the cuff. Make as many as you want. Slide the cuffs onto your arms. Boom! Batman mask. Print out a Batman logo and trace it onto some black paper. Snip, snip! Use a white colored pencil or piece of chalk to trace out the eyes. Place the mask onto a piece of gold glitter paper and trace around it. Slightly bigger than the black part of the mask. Snip, snip! Now glue the black mask onto the glitter mask. Attach some elastic strings to the sides. Now you can be Batman. Batman cape. Every Batman needs a cape. Here's how to make your own. Measure a length of black fabric to fit your body. Gather the top and pin it. You'll need to do this on both sides. Take off the cape and sew the top where you pinned it in place. When it's done, it should look like this. Now let's attach some snaps. Try on your cape and get ready to soar. Looks pretty good with your Batman mask. Frame. Use 2 pieces of cardboard and some polka dot wrapping paper. Cut the paper to fit the cardboard. Glue the paper around the cardboard. Do this on 4 pieces. Glue the pieces together to make a frame. Now use your artistic talents to make a skyscraper out of black construction paper. Cut out some pieces of blue paper to add depth to your cityscape. Cut out a yellow door for the bottom and add some yellow rectangles for windows. Glue the building to the front of your frame. Cut out a yellow cone for the bat signal and glue it to your building. add your Batman logo to complete the bat signal. Draw some details with black marker. Now you've got a super frame for all your superhero pictures. And that was part 2 of our superhero-themed arts and crafts for kids parties. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Please subscribe to our channel for more fun arts and crafts projects. See you later!